to make a beautiful woman crazy about you. You need to do this. 1. Create mystery and intrigue. Be elusive and unpredictable, leaving her wanting to know more about you. This can be done by not revealing too much information about yourself too quickly and maintaining an air of mystery. 2. Play hard to get. Be selective with your time and attention, making her feel like she has to work to earn your affection. This can create a sense of challenge and excitement for her. 3. Use humor and charm. Be charismatic and witty, making her laugh and feel good in your presence. This makes you more attractive and desirable to her. 4. Be confident and assertive. Project confidence and self-assuredness, making her feel that you are a man who knows what he wants and is not afraid to go after it. 5. Display high social value. Surround yourself with other attractive women, show off your social connections, and demonstrate that you are a man of high social status and value. 6. Be a good listener. Show genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences, making her feel heard and understood. 7. Use a push-pull dynamics. Alternate between showing interest and pulling back, creating a sense of uncertainty and excitement for her.